How to withdraw money from Vantage. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Vantage. First, sign into your Vantage account from either the app or website. Make sure you have a Live account connected. Once you are in the home page, go to the left-hand side and click on Funds. Then select Withdraw Funds. Choose the account you want to withdraw funds to, then enter the amount you would like to withdraw. Double check the withdrawal details, and if everything looks correct, click Continue. Go to Transaction History to monitor the status of your withdrawal. You will be able to see if it's been submitted or completed. And that's it. Now you can withdraw money from Vantage with simple and easy steps. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.